One aspect of the Iris luminaire that attracted the architect is its transparent and opaque housing. It gives it an inherent lightness with a clear, no-nonsense appearance. Light emanates from it, which reduces contrast, particularly in conjunction with the specially designed shallow white dish that we developed with the architect. In order for an open plan space not to feel dark, a proportion of it requires a good level of visual brightness. In addition, each fitting is linked to a control system which responds to daylight intensity, whether the fitting is at the perimeter of the building or at the centre. In other words, daylight is monitored continually and the artificial light reacts accordingly. This, in conjunction with slowly changing the colour of the white light from warm white to neutral daylight, means the light matches our natural body clock characteristics. The architecture of the ring-shaped printed circuit boards for the LEDs was designed in-house. Using latest Alucore PCBs, heat is taken away from the LED chips and dissipated to maximise the life of the light fitting. With the combination of Iris's low profile and the architect's very shallow dish design, we've been able to maximise the spacing to height ratio in the open studios. In addition to this, there are approximately 30% of the fittings that are recessed, and the shallow depth of the fitting allowed the same design language to be used throughout the spaces. The integration of the LED emergency is particularly neat. Recessed into the colour-coded centre disc that matches the specially designed trunking system, it is exceptionally well integrated. The timescale of the project was incredibly tight. The architect's moving in date meant we only had 9 weeks from order to delivery. In that time we produced tooling for the dish, designed new electronic architecture for the printed circuit board, and production programmed a dedicated production line for them. Finally, we created a bespoke power supply housing with integrated track-mounted adapter that featured perfect weight distribution to ensure the weight was always on the centre line of the track.